This is going to be a quick video on how to get Peel VCam up and running in Unreal, particularly when you start the project back up in Unreal. So here is the Peel VCam desktop software. Here's Unreal. If the plugin is installed, you should see this little button, Peel VCam Tools. You just got to click that, and then you need to connect this widget to the desktop software, and you can do that just by clicking this button, and it should connect here after a second. If there's any reason that it doesn't connect, you just got to go to options, settings, make sure this port is the same port as the one up here, and you can change that at any time. The other thing is, if this is your first time using it in a project, you need to spawn the VCam. If you didn't save it and Unreal crashed for some reason. If you ever lose or eject yourself from that, you can always just pilot again. So if you're not sure if it's in the scene, you can pilot. It should also be in your outliner. Here is the stack of game objects. And the next thing you need to do is make sure and reset up your live link connection, and then just choose the object from the dropdown, which will be here. You can always turn off that live link connection, turn it back on. And the other thing is make sure that your actors are in your take recorder. And an easy way to add the camera is just switch to camera pass mode, and that'll automatically add the magic carpet and the VCam. You can always go back to live mode after this. Then all your actors will be in here. If there's any other actors, such as, people in mocap suits being retargeted, you'll have to re-add that. But that's all you need to do to get back up and started. Another small thing is, if you are setting this up for the first time on a new piece of hardware, or like a new, computer, what you need to do, because this will be completely blank, just go to settings. If you have the Rev 2 marker or virtual camera controllers, which you should, then you just gotta come in here, put R2 left, R2 right, and then just put in the IDs for your corresponding controllers, and then click OK. If it's the very first time, all of these will be blank. Just make sure to come in and set them how you want. I've already set up 4 different button sets, and you can switch through them just by clicking here, or by swapping through them with, for example, button layout change. And then if you want to make a new one, you can always click plus. I'll just do demo layout. And to save any changes in this layout, for example, change this to next landmark, just gotta make sure this is clicked, and then you can hit the save button, and now you can see that button changing. That should be it for setting this back up. So just go through those same things again if you're setting up a new project and or if your Unreal crashes.